legend returns. The 2026 Honda Prelude Hybrid 400 is back with a thrilling fusion of performance, hybrid efficiency, and stunning design. A coupe that blends nostalgia with next-gen tech. This is Honda's bold leap into the future of sporty hybrids. Performance under the hood, the Prelude Hybrid 400 lives up to its name. It pairs a high-revving 2.0L turbocharged engine with a powerful electric motor, producing a combined output of 400 horsepower. Acceleration is sharp, with 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds, while its precise steering and adaptive suspension deliver razor-sharp handling. Honda's eAWD system ensures grip and stability on all kinds of roads, making every drive electrifying. Exterior design. The 2026 Prelude is an absolute head-turner. Low-slung, sculpted, and sleek, it combines classic coupe proportions with modern aerodynamic styling. The aggressive front fascia features a sharp LED light signature, a wide grille, and active air intakes. Its fastback profile, flush door handles, and 20-inch alloy wheels give it a futuristic yet timeless silhouette. Interior design. Inside, the Prelude strikes a perfect balance between sport and sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a floating 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, and premium materials throughout. Alcantara sport seats, ambient lighting, and a flat-bottom steering wheel enhance the athletic vibe. Every detail is crafted for comfort and control. Fuel efficiency. Despite its high-performance heart, the Prelude Hybrid 400 is impressively efficient. Thanks to Honda's advanced hybrid tech, it delivers up to 38 mpg combined. Regenerative braking and intelligent drive modes help maximize every drop of fuel while offering zero-compromise performance. The 2026 Honda Prelude Hybrid 400 isn't just a comeback, it's a revolution. Bold, beautiful, fast, and efficient, it's designed for enthusiasts who crave performance with a conscience. The Prelude is back, and it's better than ever. Let me know if you'd like a version tailored for a YouTube voiceover script.